Could you tell me a little bit more about her? Just describe Bubbie Lizzie, right?
Bubbie Lizzie, yes, Elizabeth Lizzie. She was a short, round, not very heavy. I couldn't even call her fat, but she was not slender. She had the greatest smile in the history of smiles, and she was all about love. And she really, I can see her bare feet on the linoleum floor in the kitchen. She was really out of, at least I saw her rarely out of the kitchen. I remember clearly coming to see her some days before she passed. My grandfather had been dead for some years. She was in a home and she was sitting in a wheelchair and she was strapped in the wheelchair because she tended to slip out of it. And I remember walking in, I can see it, and she was in this room, a number of women in wheelchairs, and she was one of them, as I say, strapped. And I walked up to her, she had this, never without this giant smile, this glorious smile. And she saw me coming in. I walked up. I said, "Bubba, it's me, Norman. How are you?" And I can't tell you how funny it was the way she answered from her strapped body in the wheelchair. "How am I?" You know, she was saying at once, "How am I? You figure it out. Take a good look at me. Are you out of your mind? I mean, all of that was inherent in "How am I?" And I laughed even under those circumstances. I laughed. She wished me to laugh.